According to question, draw any angle ABC. Now draw an angle, any angle ABC. A, B, C. Now place the point of compass on B and with any convenient distance draw an arc to cut rays BA and BC. You cut the ray BA and BC. Name the point of intersection as P and Q respectively. Now place the point of compass on P and taking a convenient distance. You can take any distance and keep your compass on point P and draw an arc inside the angle. Using the same distance, draw another arc inside the angle from the point Q to cut the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as O. This point you name O. Now draw a ray BO from B. Start ray from B. Origin point of BO is B and this one BO. Ray BO is the bisector of ABC. And now measure ABO and CBO, both are equal. It means this angle and this angle both are equal. This line of this ray is called angle bisector of angle. Just like you solve the practice set 3. In practice set 3, given the question, use the proper geometrical instruments to construct the following angles. Use the compass and the ruler to bisect them. Here given these angles 50 degree, 115 degree, 80 degree and 90 degree. Though at first draw the angles, then afterwards intersect the angles. First number question intersect the 50 degree. Draw a ray OA. You can draw any ray. I give the name of the ray is OA, and at point O we kept and measure the angle 50 degree. Here where is 50? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here is 50 degree. Keep the and draw another ray. We give the point. The name of the ray is BOB. Now bisect the angle 50 degree. You draw at first any arc. You cut any arc from point. You draw any arc and give the name of the arc is P and Q. You give the compass at point Q and cut inside. Again same distance you keep and keep the compass on point Q and cut the arc. This point is middle point. Now from point O we draw another ray COC. It means angle BOC and angle COA are angles bisect, and both angles are same, 25 degree. You can measure just like also, and you can see how it is will come. Yes, look at here, it is 25 degree. It means this is correct. Next number question is 115 degree. At same as it is, draw a ray and keep your protractor on the ray and see where is 115 degree. Here you give a point, draw another ray you can give any name, O, A and B. Now draw an arc from point O and you take any distance and draw a arc from point from P and from both rays and point of make another ray and give the name of this one also. See, it means angle BOC and angle COA. Angle BOC equal to angle COA, angle bisect. Next number question.
Yeah, start.
Question number 3 is 80 degree. Same as it is, draw a ray and give any point OM, draw a ray, and now again you keep the protractor at point O and how much, 80 degree. So you see where is 80 degree, here 80 degree. It means draw another ray, give the name of OMN. Now you kept the compass on the point O and draw an arc.
Yeah, start.
Now you kept compass on point P and draw any arc at the when cut the point. From that point you bisect the angle and here both angles are bisect and draw another ray MNP. Here angle NOP and angle MOP. Angle NOP and equal to angle POM, angle bisect. Same as it is. Next last number question, fourth number, 90 degree. At first draw 90 degree. See, I think all are understand the angle bisect. You can do practice at home. P and you again kept the protractor at origin O and see where is 90 degree. Here is 90 degree. Now draw another ray. It is, and this is another ray PQ. You keep the point OQ, another ray. Now draw an arc from the point O. You can draw the arc. Yes, this is point. Give any name A and B. Now you keep the compass point A and again kept on point B and intersect to each other at point C, P at point R, and again draw another ray from OR. This is angle bisect. It means angle QOR and angle RROP are equals. These are angle bisect. Angle QOR equal to angle ROP. Angle bisect. Hope you understand, all of you, angle bisect, and everyone do practice at home. Bye bye.